Switch statements. Switch statement is a programming construct that allows you to control the execution flow based on a variable's possible values. It provides a more concise and organized approach compared to using multiple if statements, as the switch statement evaluates the expression only once. So let's consider a very simple example where we can take a look at the switch statements, how to write it from scratch, and how to use it. Okay, let's create a function. It will be called perform action. That will take a string action as the parameter. Yeah, let's generate the method. That will be a static private method. I want string activity. It will be called activity, not, yeah, actually, let's have it as action. Let's do just var action equals args0. So whatever we put as an argument. Let's create a switch statement. That will be simply if we type switch and go to the create a switch statement. Okay, that's a simple switch statement, all we need at this point. And then we pass activity here. And what we are going to do, we're going to create cases. Let's consider a case jump. Jump if I pass jump inside this switch block, I want to output you jumped. Let's create another case. It's simply, so we type keyword case, then whatever we put, it will be equal to activity that we're passing inside this switch statement. That will be the same as it is. So basically, whatever we put here, it will go and check the cases. Let's say the case run. Again, we type console.writeLine. You run, and then we go and break. Break means just go out of the switch statement. It just simply goes out of the switch statement. Consider return. If we do return, it will simply execute out of function. So, but if we do break and we have like console writeLine, program is ended. If we do a break, it will simply go out of the switch statement and continue executing. Next, we will create a case and say dance. We do console writeLine. You danced. And then we do break as well. Okay, let's create a case and call it sing. That will be console writeLine. You sung. Also will be break. And let's be a default. We will create something console.writeLine, and we say you did something wrong. And let's say case drink. Let's see something very nasty. You drunk a lot and passed out. Go to default. I will simply go to default. Okay, we forgot to put here a break keyword. Break. Okay, now everything is good. After, let's say you drunk, then you drank a lot, it will go to the default case and it will output as well the program. And when we do something wrong, we want to return the program. When we return the program, nothing happens at the end. So we're not going to reach this line of code. Let's say that we want to add another case. Let's say after dance, I want to add case shower. And when I shower, console.writeLine, you took a shower. And after that, I want to sing when I shower. So I want to start typing go to case sing. Okay, after I showered, it should go to the case sing, and I will sing after I took a shower. Okay, now let's try to run our program and see what will happen. Okay, let's do .NET run. I want to jump. Let's start with jump. Good. So what happened? I typed jump, and is arg0. That's the 0 element in the array. That's after what we type after .NET run. There is a string array that is called args. And if we pass something as 0, it's just the first element. So we took that jump, we passed it into this function. It placed our variable into the switch statement, and then it goes and checks, is the activity jump? Yes, it is. And it just goes into the function, output it on the console, you jumped. And then it breaks the program, the switch statement. It just goes out of the switch statement and it still goes here. Still continue executing after the break. It's not going to break out of the function, but it's going to break out of the switch statement. And it goes right here where we have a console write line call with program is ended text. Okay, now let's try to do run. Okay, we do again .NET run. Okay, you run. Same here. Is the case jump? No, it's not the jump case. Is the case run? Yes, it is. So we console the write line, you run, and then after we break out of the switch statement and go right here where we output on the console program is ended. Okay, so I will do the same for a shower. Okay, .NET run shower. All right, cool. After I typed shower, it went right into this case scenario. It output on the console, you took shower. There's no break as you see. And we go to case sing. And sing case says console.writeLine you sung. Okay, we're sung. We took a shower. We go to the sing, went straight to the case sing. It output on the console, you sung, and then it breaks. After that, it goes to the console write line. Okay, now let's try to do a very bad thing, in my opinion. So we do drink. So I do .NET run drink. As we expect, it should go and output you drank a lot and passed out. And then it goes to the default case. And after that, just remember, we end the return statement. So we should see the you drank a lot and passed out. Then we should see, oh, you did something wrong. And then it returns, and it's not going to output program is ended because the return keyword will automatically stop executing this function. .NET run, you drank a lot. You drank a lot and passed out. Oh, you did something wrong, and just return, which is not going to take this lines of code, and that will just stop our program, our main function from executing. Okay, so this is the switch statement. We take a look at just case, how we create the switch statement, how we do case, how we use case keyword. We do some logic, and then at the end we do break, just to break out of the switch statement. And then we took a look how we can insert many go-to case in order to continue building our logic on other case scenarios. And also we used the go-to default keyword. Okay, actually we can nest a lot of this, like case, fast, walk. That will be still the same. If we do, let's say, .NET run fast walk, it will output you run. The program is ended, yes. So you can nest a lot of case scenarios. So you can put like fast walk, and then you can create something else. Yeah, that's how you work with switch statements. Please let me know in the comments if you understood everything.